This short's on a nifty little novelty knife. It's got a Chinese dragon on the bolster. The Yax, Y-A-X Stainless. A little like 1.75" blade there and a toothpick on that end. Unfortunately, on the back side, the one end of the side is knocked off. But still, you know, it looks cool. It's a fun little knife. You gotta make sure nobody ever sees the broken side. I think overall it's like 3 inches. Yeah, 3 inches. Oh, the blade's actually, yeah, it's about 2 inches. I thought it was an 1.75". The toothpick is 1.5 inches.